Hey guys, I'm back out here in the Roadtrek. We're going to be doing a little maintenance out here today. The first thing I'm going to do is I've hooked up my LED lights and I haven't got a good connection on this side. On the back other side, my LED lights are fine, but what I'm going to do here is actually get a better connection. I'm going to solder the joints to it, get it all set up. So this is what we're going to do, is try to get this working good today. Alright, here's the connection that I'm hooking it up to. This is like a little reading light, and I'm getting my 12-volt power off of that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this down, get in here and see if I can get the wire hooked up and solder the joint, and then put a, tape it over, you know, make it good shape there. So that's what I'm working on. Alright, what I'm going to do here is this little cover here just snaps in place. It comes off pretty easily. So I took the cover off, and it has, these all use that square-headed screwdriver. I don't know the technical name, but there's 4 little screws here, and we're going to take these screws out. Get them, or I can get the unit to come down here where I can expose the wires that powers this. If you see here, so I can turn the light off and on, so there is power to that. You don't, something like this, it's good probably to go ahead and check the power the first thing, just to make sure it's working when you get started with it. So we can pull this unit down out of here. There it is. And what we're going to do is tap into the wires here and make a good connection, and we're going to solder it. Alright, I'm going to try to show you how I wired this up. These, the white and the red wire are the original wires. The white and red wires are the original wires that comes out of this reading lamp. Now what I had, this plugs into a switch, this little unit here that's up on my LED lights. So what I've done, I've taken the one side of it, the red side, and I put a connector, and I put the wire, the plus connector, and that on each side of that, and then I took the white wire and ran it into the main light here. And so when I plug these in, I got these opposite connectors up here on the top, and then plug this switch into my LED lights, and it should work. So we're going to give it a try. Let me show you the other half. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and put our light back into place here. This unit here where the switch is, it just kind of clips in, clips up. So now we have our plugs here. Now what we need to do is we have 2 plugs up here. It'll be hard to show you up here, but there's a red plug in. So we're going to plug this red one right into here. There we go, nice and firmly. Up at the top there's another white one. We're going to plug the white one into this other connector. Alright, now we should have power here, which we do. So the reading light has power. Now all we need to do, I added this little unit here to a switch up here. I put that in there and the LED's lit right up. So I have a switch up here, and I can turn the LEDs off and on. And then all I have to do is go ahead and screw this back in place, and we should be good to go. So I think it's going to work out, guys. Alright, see, we're all set. We've got this back. And turn the reading lights off and on. Got the switch up here at the top. We're able to turn the LEDs on with no problem. So we've solved this problem here. A few little connectors and we're ready to go. Alright, I want to show you. We have a switch over here on this side. See, I can turn the LEDs off and on. And I went right over here to the other side that we just finished working on. Same thing, switch, we can turn these off and on. So I wanted to show you we have these LEDs around the ceiling across here. They actually go inside these cabinets, which lights up these cabinets really nice. And they got them going down the side here. We also have them coming across the bottom. And we have another set back here. Goes around the top at nighttime. These are on a switch right here. Same type of switch. I can flip these off and on. This will light up the whole camper at nighttime, and it takes very little power. But I've always had issues. I never really wired this side up here just right, and so I did that, and it looks like it's working good. I wanted to show you the lights up here. This is a standard light, and this one over here has an LED bulb. I just went and picked up some of these LEDs, and so we're going to replace some of these other ones like this one, and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, now it's with LED bulb. You can see the difference. This is the new LED bulb. Actually, that one looks a little different. I think the other one is a little brighter. I want to show you, I finished up the LED lights. We've got everything has been switched now to LED. We added our strip right up along here, and then this is the former strip here. We've added all the coach lights are now all LED. Back here in the corner there, so everything runs on LED. We added this strip here. This strip here goes around and down around to light the floor up. So we should have a nice area with the floor all lit up, and you should be able to get it. And it all runs on LED, which will keep the energy costs, not so much cost, but the power usage down, so that we won't be running the batteries down as quick. We also topped off the batteries today. We had to put water. These are lead acid batteries. They you have to keep track of the water in lead acid batteries because they go down, and they were pretty low. So sooner or later we want to change over all the batteries to AGM batteries, which are basically a non-maintenance batteries. You don't have to keep track of the water because they're sealed. They're a sealed battery. So anyway, so this is our project here. We finished it all up. Looks like it's going to work out good. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hey, give us a thumbs up. Any comments, questions, leave it in the section below. We'll get back to you. And if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. Follow along with us. We do all kinds of videos, but we do road trek videos, some kind of camping videos. We do product reviews. We do some cooking videos. So follow along and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. You'll be notified every time we have a new video. So we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs, or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.